Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and what do we have today? Well, we have the new Ford Maverick, and we do the Revolver X4s on this. And I tell you, before we get into all the great features, I want you to take a good look at how sharp this cover looks on this truck. It matches perfectly. I like the low profile. I think the low profile just gives it a really sharp look, and this holds 400 pounds. Now, it does come with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, we do double the warranty from 5 to 10 with the installation. I got a lot of people asking, hey, can you give me that double warranty? And I say, if you install it, what? I'm like, yeah, it's part of the installation. It's part of the Real Truck program. They feel like if it's professionally installed, we're going to do a better job. So let's go into how everything works. A couple nice features on this. You do have a left and right release mechanism. So if you're on the passenger side or driver's side, you can open this up. By the way, this is the latest model, and on the corners, they did fix all the problems on that. Basically, they had a clip there. Now they screw it in and glue it in there, so it seems to hold it a lot better. That was the only ever issue they had on these. Now, what's nice about this cover, it rolls up very, very easily. Now, they do have a protection for your hand here, so if it gets a little hot from being in the sun, not a problem. Now, when it's rolled all the way up, it doesn't block your window, so you have pretty much a good view here. Also, you get 100% access to the bed, so you don't have the biggest bed, so you don't want to give up any space. Now, you basically, if you want to drive, you take this comes around here, and I'll kind of roll it out so you can see here. This basically is going to go right into there, and you turn it, and then you can kind of tighten it up. Really easy. Now, to undo it, you just push it down a little bit and let it hang there. Now, when this is all the way up like this, it does act a protection for the rear window, almost like a headache rock, because if something digs in here and someone hits the brakes and everything comes flying forward, we'll hit this, and if it moves it forward, that's what these little cushions, they don't really touch, but if something was to hit this and move it forward, these are here to protect the window as well. So it's a really great feature. Also, I'm going to show you something that is unique to this. Now, if you look over here, when the cover comes down, these go and close. Now, this is a lock that locks the entire rail here. Now, a lot of other covers have a lock, maybe 2 or 3. This has one, but it's one long one, and they do have a patent on this. Now, a lot of the competitors use a Velcro, which is okay, but this is better. So, again, when both sides go down, this locks in place. And open and closing, very easy. Now, if you come around to the end here, make sure you're gonna push both down at the same time. And super tight fit, and that's really good because the tighter it is, the better it is for water. Now, as you know, these aren't submarines. It's not going to be 100% waterproof, no cover is. But this one, between how the rails are set up, how the tailgate is, this is going to be right up near the top of keeping Mother Nature out of the bed. Now, if you like what you see today, you can come here, let us install it for you, let us double the warranty. We do a very nice job, and we know these trucks very well. Now, if you don't live here in Florida, we still got you covered. You live in California, you live in Portland, you live in Hawaii. We just shipped a retract to Hawaii the other day. We ship all over the continental USA, and we did Puerto Rico, Brazil, and Jamaica, as well as Hawaii and Alaska. So we got a pretty good area. So if you're basically anywhere in the United States plus some, we can ship it to you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. This is a review of the Revolver X4s on a nice Ford Maverick hood. Swing around one more time. Look how sharp that looks. I think, besides function, cosmetics, it has to look good, and I think it looks really good. I'm very pleased how this looks. You picked out a nice Maverick. I like the color in this, by the way. Again, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. You get to see all these great videos. Thank you so much.